Hey, Nick.
Hi, look at BW.
Nick wanted me to take a video of the new kitten. We don't. Hey, BW. This is the farthest he's come up to eat. Usually he's hiding in the family room under the couch. So we called him. We said, kitty, kitty, kitty. And then he came up to eat. So we're getting there. We tried to have all three kitties share the same dish, but that didn't work out. Tasha and Milo actually ran off, so they're letting him eat, which is nice. He looks bigger on this video than in real life. You can see my hand. Come here, kitty, kitty. You gonna let me pet you? You're so good. You're funny.
That's because your body's...
I like the marking on his head. Look at him. He's very playful when he does come out. Where's Tasha? And where's Milo? Hi, baby doll. We still love you. Yes, we do. Milo! Where's Tasha? Tasha! Princess Pukey.
That's what we call
She took off. Alright. See you later, little man. Patty.
No, I want to eat. I think a good way to get him to eat is to pretend to take a video of him.
You really?
Yeah.
I don't know. I like the markings on his ears too. Behind his ears, it's like half white, half black. It's kind of cool.
Mom, don't you see that faint V? That faint V of brown and gray? And all of his paws are white.